Morning, our viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we are having visitors who will be joining us for a farm visit. So stay tuned. We have quite a lot happening in our farm, and the weather is really amazing. We have received rains this week, and therefore things are looking nice on the farm. So stay tuned, and we have so many videos uploaded on our YouTube channel. So be sure to follow us and subscribe, and we'll keep you more updated with the information that you need.
Yeah.
K&M.
Asante.
These are horticultural farm. Specific.
Make sure timoto kwa frame sote wawili.
Specific here we did with chili. That's our main crop
For export.
for export. Other than that, we have tomatoes, capsicum, and we have some bananas there. Yeah, but mainly it's chili.
Chili is the main.
Yeah, we'll show you
crop.
our farm. Be able to see how we are doing the activities. Yeah, so you're welcome.
Thank you. We can go and see.
Block A, B, C, D, E, F, G, mpaka mwisho, and there are specific crops in each one.
Okay.
Take us through
These ones are for export or too?
No. This is local
for
market.
local market.
This is actually is the one that is
We can start with the block A.
okay. So,
Block. We have capsicum, the green capsicum, and as you can see, we have some ladies here harvesting. This is almost 5 months old. The crops now we are waiting to uproot it because it's old enough.
They are mature now.
Yeah, they are mature.
You have fasted for how long?
For 3 months.
Consecutively?
Yes.
Oh.
We do weekly. Most cases we have it on Saturday. Yes.
For local market still?
Use for local market.
Oh, okay.
Our main market is here, Loy. That's why we normally take them. Yes.
Do you have a ready market or you just go and okay? Right?
Yeah, for this one we have a ready market. We have our consistent mamas who take them. Yes. Now you can see them. Some of them they're there.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Yeah. This is block B and D. We have chili. You can see it inside the net. Reason of having the net, one is the requirement from catches, because we want to keep away the pests. For example, FCL. Yeah, you can see they are doing that. But you can harvest some chickens here. But just one challenge that this net is controlled by weeds. That's why you can see some
fixing there.
Yeah, they're fixing.
Okay. Once again, remind us the name of the farm.
K&M Farm.
K&M. Oh, K&M. Even that is the initials we use as even on social media. Mtisema wewe here. Asante kwa nafasi hii ya kuweza kutembelea K&M Farm. It's quite an expansive farm, and I've enjoyed what I've seen. And I urge people, public, just come support this work, purchase your vegetables, and also learn from this farm. And remember to subscribe also to this channel for you to see what is happening here. There's great work here. Thank you.
also for local market. We normally take our tomatoes to the Salaudi market. So I take them to Masaka town. Yeah, this BRD variety. And also we supply some supermarkets, like Cherry supermarket and other supermarket in Pakistan.
Oh yeah. How many varieties do you have?
Normally we deal with the two varieties of tomatoes, BLD and Ansal.
Oh,
Ansal and BLD. That's our main variety.
They do well in this place.
Yeah, they do well in this place. Another thing, the ripe strength takes for long. In fact, Ansal go for 20 days without.
That is shelf life.
Yes.
Wow.
And another thing, the size of the fruit. It has a moderate size of the fruit. It's not very big. It's not small. It's a medium and the best in the market.
Oh yeah. Ah, that's nice.
Yeah.
And do you face challenges? Maybe.
Yeah, the main challenge with the tomato is T-tops. There is a pest known as T-tops. Yeah, I think if you normally go to the market, you can see some tomatoes that have some holes. That's T-top. But we are just trying to fight it, and we are good.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, we have some nazi here. We are doing the sticking and pruning the suckers.
Oh yeah.
I think we can see.
I used to be a farmer. Sometimes I know how to prune the suckers.
Yeah.
And
they are sticking.
Yeah.
Now they are avoiding the plant to touch the soil.
Yeah, so that the fruits might be hanging.
Yes.
I know how to.
Now these are suckers that they are using. You know, when you have a lot of suckers, you have a lot of fruit, but small.
Small, yeah, quality. They compromise the quality.
Exactly.
Yeah. Habari zenu? Kochonjo? Wewe wake kamba? Na Kikuyu? Okay.
You can see here, we have added a lot of farmyard manure.
Yeah, I can see.
But that does not stop us adding the inorganic fertilizers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Normally, what
happens now when you overdo the fertilizer thing and maybe the soil is like saturated?
Farmyard manure it corrects your soil.
Oh.
Another thing we do, we add caspin. That's a kind of regulator. We have caspin, we have gypsum. That helps to correct the soil.
Gypsum and lime, they have two different things, or is one and the same?
Same thing. The same thing. It regulates the soil. Because of the water that we are using here, and also the soil, it has a high acid. Acidity is high. For that, we correct with gypsum.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, a lot of lessons.
Frequently, we also send our soil for testing.
Oh yeah, that was what I was also thinking about. You do tests so that you know the type of additives you need. Yeah. So you specialize on
crop sciences.
crop science.
Yeah.
You are a crop scientist.
Crop scientist.
Doctor.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the difference? The ones in the open and the one which are in the greenhouse. How are they performing? Which is which? Which is doing?
The one in at the shade net, they do better than the open field. The one at the shade net, integrate the climate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so this one you are doing for experimental purpose?
No. Yeah, they also do in open field, but they cannot do better than when they are inside the net.
Yeah.
The net.
But the advantage is in the open you can plant in lunch.
Yes.
Quantity.
You know the one challenge with the net is very expensive.
Sure. What was here?
We had onions here. We just harvested last week. Yeah.
And how did they do in the market? Because I remember last month I went shopping and there were no onions.
Yeah,
they were very small quantities and very expensive.
Yeah, they did very well. In fact, now we have a plan of doing more
onions. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you harvested them at the peak season.
Yes.
Already you have sold?
Yes.
How was it? What?
Okay, G.
That's serious.
Yeah.
That's
And,
good money.
in the process, we have not finished selling. We have some left there. Yeah.
So we are now at the banana farm. These are for ripening.
Ripening,
Yeah.
yeah.
Which type?
It's a cashew. Is that a name?
Tissue catcher.
Yeah, tissue catcher.
These are sugar again.
Najua mlipita pale. Kisha ndio unaona mahali imeplau hiyo. Unafika huko.
Huko kwa barabara.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, mahali kwa greenhouse pale.
Yeah.
Unaona saa zile ulikuwa stranded ya? Tulikuwa pale na kuna watu walikuwa wanachimba pale hivi.
Oh, okay.
Hapo ndio tulikuwa sasa. Hapo mahali kuna ile nyumba ya red hapo.
So this is
What is this? What is this? Yeah, this is not passion.
What is this?
This is not passion.
This grapes. Oh, grapes.
Yeah, grapes, yeah. Yeah. Alafu na makandamia. Macadamia. By the way, macadamia are doing well in Cumberland. And many people have turned to, especially in Machakos, and those are some parts of Makueni. They are doing it in large scale. Macadamia are very profitable for export.